Welcome to the second Summer of STEAM 2019 video. Today we're learning about technology. Stay tuned because my cousins are helping me with this video.
Welcome to our data type detector video. You will need our data type printouts. You can find these in the link below. Pencils and scissors.
Today we'll be learning about 5 different data types. The data types are Boolean, string, float, list, and integer. These are all used in coding language to tell different types of data apart. The first data type is Boolean. It lets you know if something is true or false. An example question is, do you like the color blue? Next up is a string. A string is a list of characters or a word. For example, you could ask, what is your favorite subject? And the answer would be the string science. The next data type is a float. Floats are numbers with decimal places. For example, 15 divided by 2 has the answer 7.5. Next up is the list. This is a collection of items, such as the list of the month in the year. Finally, we have the integer. This is a number with no decimal place, such as the number of the letters in the word STEAM. Now that we know the data types, let's play the game.
Let's get started. First, cut out all of the different pieces. And remember to watch your fingers and have an adult nearby when using scissors. Shuffle the question cards. Now we're going to start playing. Pick one question card each. Here are the questions we chose. Write your answer on the answer cards. Here are our answers. Now we're going to figure out which data type the answer is. You can help each other out when you do this. This answer is 2.5, so it is a float. This is because it has a decimal place. My answer is also float because it also has a decimal place. He thought it was a string at first because it had words listed. But a list of words is a list in coding language. So all of the seasons written out is a list. Here is our complete first round. Time for round 2! This time we're writing our own questions. Here is what we chose. Swap them and write down your answers. Ta-da! Assign data types again. This one's a float because it has a decimal place. This one's an integer because it doesn't have a decimal point. Finally, we have another float. And time for round 3! For the first question, who likes pizza? And we all voted yes. This was a true or false question, so it was a Boolean. What was your favorite color was the next question. We all had words as answers, so it was a string. That's it for our game. I hope you learned about data types. If you play this game, send us the photos.
You can send us photos of what you do at STEM_files on Instagram. I hope you enjoyed Megan and Nathan's help and their voiceovers on this video, so thank you so much to them.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye!